Hello my beautiful ninjas, it's Nani. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. In today's video, I want to go ahead and share with you guys a Scentbird unboxing slash first impressions. This is my first time purchasing anything from Scentbird, and I'm sure you guys are well aware of who they are and what they do. But I wanted to test them out just because I like the fact that I'm able to test out fragrances before committing to the price tag. And that's the reason that I decided to do a monthly subscription. But I have my little package here and it comes with a little card that describes the fragrance itself, but I am going to give you guys my own opinion and thoughts and things like that on the actual fragrance. Let's go ahead and jump right in. The fragrance that I decided to actually test out is going to be the Versace Eros fragrance for men. Pretty much this is what the actual package looks like, and you basically twist it up and then you just basically spray the fragrance itself. So I wanted to try to test out this one, just this version of the Versace man cologne, just to see if it's a little bit better, if it's something that I should add to my collection. Actually, let me know down below if you guys have the Versace Eros fragrance. Let me know down below if it is something that I should add to my collection for sure. So they do have a little card that shows you the picture of it, and then on the back of it, it does give you a brief description of the fragrance along with the actual fragrance notes. It basically has green apple, vanilla, mint, tonka bean, and lemon. So these ingredients definitely sound more like fresh and sweet and probably more of like a spring and summer type of scent. So we're definitely going to go ahead and test this out. Again, I'm going to go ahead and spray it and give you guys my honest first impressions. I did not test this out prior to doing this video, just because I wanted to give you guys a genuine description of what it smells like. So we're going to go ahead and spray this. Okay. Okay, so you definitely get the lemon for sure. It definitely smells very zesty, you definitely get, again, the lemon zest from it. The top note is definitely more of the green apple, definitely more of the lemon, so it's more citrusy. So it's definitely a very fresh smell. It smells masculine for sure, because it has kind of like a traditional cologne type of scent, but it's more on the fresh side than it is on the like warm type of side. I'm not really sure of exactly what it will feel like in the dry down. I'm actually gonna spray my wrist to see. Oh, okay, I sprayed my whole damn hand. Okay, so this smells amazing. Now that it's sprayed on my body, I definitely do get the vanilla for sure. It's like a hint of the vanilla that you smell. It's very warm. It's very sexy. It's more sensual. It still has a very masculine scent. I would probably say this is more of like a date night, spring, summer, cuddle up type of fragrance for sure. Like, it smells very inviting, very welcoming, very sensual, very sexy, very masculine. That's basically what's coming out, especially in the notes itself. In terms of its longevity, obviously this is my first time trying it out, so I'm not really sure of how it actually lasts and lingers on the body. But the way that it smells now, especially when I sprayed it in the air, the top notes definitely are more of the zesty type of scent, which is more of like the lemon and the green apple. But definitely on the body, it evaporates very nicely into the skin. So in the dry down, then the vanilla does kind of like come out a little bit. It's not a strong vanilla scent, and I'm not sure if it's stronger as it lingers on the body the longer that you wear it. But initially, the vanilla is just kind of like a hint that you smell in the background, which just makes it more attractive, a little bit more sensual, a little bit more like warm and cuddle up. So I definitely like this scent. The only thing that I feel like just initially, just me trying it out right now, I kind of feel like it smells like a very typical cologne type of scent, like a fresh typical cologne scent. It smells good, but it doesn't smell unique or distinct or different to me. But it does smell nice. I definitely smell a little bit more of the tonka bean now that it is continuing to dry down on my skin. So I do definitely smell a little bit of the tonka bean, which makes it a little bit different. It's like cinnamonish, if that makes sense. I don't even know if that's the right term, but it smells like a little bit like a warm, spicy type of scent. I don't I don't know if that's a good description of it, but that's basically what I'm getting from it. Now in the next video, I am going to be doing something a little bit different for you guys, just kind of like bringing it back to the basics. I feel like I want to try to give you guys kind of a better understanding of fragrances as well. Just if you are now just kind of getting into fragrances and you are trying to figure out what the right ones are, then I am going to go ahead and break down the fragrance categories for you guys, just so you can have a better understanding of what the differences are between them, so that it's easier for you to make better decisions as you go into the store to shop. So, of course, if you guys are interested in that video, like I mentioned, turn on your post notifications so that you're up to date when that video gets uploaded. Thank you guys so much again for tuning in to another video. Till next time, peace out.